Hazard, wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour and half-inch hail. Source, surface observations. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor hail damage to vegetation is possible. Locations impacted include Winfield, Valley View, Elburn, Naperville, North Aurora, Geneva, Lily Lake, Lisle, Aurora, Wheaton, Camden Hills, Virgil, Burlington, West Chicago, Hampshire, Warrenville, South Elgin, Gilberts, Montgomery, Woodridge, Pingree Grove, Wayne, DuPage Airport, Batavia, and St. Charles. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. Northeastern Livingston County in central Illinois, southwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, western Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, north central Ford County in east central Illinois, northwestern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles east of South Street or to near Sonneman, 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chubett, Bradley, Hersha, Minooka, Kankakee, Limestone, Collins, Irwin. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles east of South Street or to near Sonneman, moving northeast. Source, radar indicated. Room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central, north central, northeastern, and east central Illinois. Blowing dust and gustnadoes are occurring with the leading edge of the storm. Sharply reduced visibility is expected with the blowing dust. Elwood and Bonfield. Essex, Dwight, Morris, Bonfield. Can move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central, north central, northeastern, and east central Illinois. Blowing dust and gustnadoes are occurring with the leading edge of the storm. Sharply reduced visibility is expected with the blowing dust.